Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is a quick discussion on significant figures. This title is very important for calculations in maths, physics, and chemistry. It's a general title, and it is always a good idea to keep an eye on your answers with respect to significant figures. Sometimes the examiner also specify that you have to give your answer to a specific number of significant figure. Significant figure is basically a concept that how many digits you have to round for. I'm putting my first rule here. The first rule says that every non-zero digit is significant. Now, example, when I say 24, I have two significant figures. When I say 3.56, I have three significant figure. When I simply write 7, I have only one significant figure. Rule number 2, zeros between non-zeros are significant. Zeros between non-zeros are significant, which means that, for example, I have written 7003. Now there are four significant figure because we started with a non-zero and we end with a non-zero again. In between we have zeros. So 7003 has four significant figure. Then 40.9, it has three significant figure. The zero included is counted here. Rule number 3, zeros appearing in front of non-zero digits are not significant. Now look at this rule. We have to see the example 0.00024. Now before 24 we have three zeros and there is a zero before the decimal. We are not counting any of the zeros because we start with zero and we have 0.000, then we have 24. So we are counting this 2, we are counting this 4, we are not counting the initial zeros. Now look at this 0.453. So here I have three significant figures. Rule number 4, zeros at the end of a number and to the right of a decimal point are significant. Look at this example 43.00. Now look at this decimal position and I have two zeros after that. Now interestingly, here we have to count the zeros which are coming after the decimal, but before the decimal we have a non-zero entry 1.010. Here we are counting all the digits including the zeros. It means if we have a non-zero in the start, then we count zeros after the decimal also. 1.50. It has three significant figure. Rule number 5. Zeros at the end of a number when no decimal point is present are not significant. Zeros at the end of a number when no decimal point is present are not significant. This is very interesting. Look, 300. Now 300 has no decimal, so we will count only 3. This is one significant figure. 27,300. 1, 2, 3. We count the 3, but we don't count the zeros in the end. It is always ideal that you can check significant figure more effectively if you convert the value in scientific notation. Look at this 5,000. 5,000 can be written as 5.0 into 10 power 3. This is a significant figure measurement. So I can say 1, 2. So there are two significant figure. I can also go for three significant figure. Now 0.001, I can write it 1.0 10 power minus 3. Here I have two significant figure. Scientific notation is very can scientific notation is very effective for controlling for controlling the number of significant figures. So this is a quick review on significant figures. Thank you.